Bali, the island of paradise, the island of lifestyle and taste. Presented to you an exquisite experience in every sip. It all begins with the finest ingredients, carefully selected for their quality and flavor. Precision and expertise are the pillars of our production. We ensured each of every batch has come up to our standards, using our newest technology of brewery. We guarantee consistency in every can, delivering the same exceptional taste every time. Our products are a reflection of your inner beauty and style. We are not just the beer, we are the lifestyle. Experience the beautiful taste of our products with the beautiful people around you. So, are you ready to cherish the moments and the everlasting taste? Canard, suit your life, matches your style.